What are we here for?
Why are we here?
Is that Dewey?
What are you going to do with it? Throw it away? You don't have to throw it away. You just have to give it to Mom and Dad. Are you ready? What are you going to do without it?
Is it going to be gone forever? Is that okay? Are you such a big girl?
What do you think about it?
Okay, we'll see you later. Okay, bye. Enjoy.
What do you think? Great? Good.
Do you want to have one last suck? All right, good job. We love you. She did it. Good girl.